am so excited. My first set of books are here, so I'm going to open the box and let's check it out. There it is. 5 years in development. This is book 1, The Reader. Yay! What else do we have? Alright, one of the journals. This would be the light cover journal. There's also a dark cover, so you can each tell which one's yours. They are exactly the same inside. Journal prompts that go with the workbooks, blank pages, invites for special write-ups, and here's the workbook. Book 2, the workbook. There it is, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm still waiting on the dark cover journal, but there's 3 of the 4 in the series. Yay! So for the past 5 years, I've been developing the Relationship Nourishment series. I've been selling it here at my inn to the couples that come in for retreats. We serve about 800 guests a year at our inn. I'm being really quiet because I have a retreat going here right now and it's about 6 a.m. So if anyone is curious, this is my office. This is where I run the show. I'm going to show you what the series has looked like before it came out today in beautiful print. So up until today, I've been hand making these resources. It looks like this, which is in literally a binder of 200 plus pages that I print out of curated materials, journals that I hand stamp. I actually carved that stamp as well. So 2 blank journals, 2 pens, the binder, and a little note for inviting the couple to partake. And it's been $125, so it's going to be a lot more affordable now as well on Amazon. And this is what it has looked like. I'm actually hand writing each section divider. I've used several hundred resources over the years to develop this series. I also have all my resources available. There's a list of resources in the back of each book, as well as original material from Oregon Wellness Retreat, from myself. And this is what it looked like. And now it looks like that.
The next morning, I sold my first printed copy, and they wanted an autograph. How fun. Check out the link if you want to know more.